In my previous video, you learnt all about obesity and some natural remedies. However, if you consume all of your macro and micronutrient requirements from natural food, then you may not be able to sustain a calorie deficient diet on a regular basis, which is essential for weight loss. So, now let's talk about how can we include a few good quality dietary supplements which will fast forward the weight loss process. I have made a separate video on each of these supplements and the links are mentioned in the description. So do watch them for complete details.
Now coming back to which supplements can speed up the weight loss process, let's start with the products one by one. The first product is Nutrilite Body Key Meal Replacement. The biggest pitfall for people in their weight loss program is they end up eating a heavy dinner which adds up calories that the body cannot digest at night time and gets stored as fat in our fat cells. Nutrilite Body Key comes in a sachet form which contains a combination of protein, dietary fiber, carbohydrates, and 21 essential vitamins and minerals. It contains no artificial sweeteners or preservatives. It comes in two flavors, chocolate and vanilla. Each sachet of 30 grams contains only 133 calories and it can be mixed with water or skim milk to make a delicious shake that can easily replace your dinner or lunch as well if needed. The next product increases the protein intake without adding much calories. Nutrilite All Plant Protein Powder contains all 9 essential amino acids. It's 100% plant-based protein, easy to digest and comes with a PIDICA score of 1. In a 10-gram scoop, you get 8 grams protein, which is 80% protein per serving. Because of its neutral taste, you can easily mix it with your atta dough, curd, milk, juices and even water. Next we have Nutrilite Salmon Omega 3 that has a positive effect on leptin, speeds up fat oxidation and helps increase metabolism. It also helps in reducing triglycerides level. 95% of our body is made up of macronutrient and only 5% is made up of micronutrients. But this 5% is very important in keeping your body healthy and also helps in weight loss journey. Nutrilite Daily Tablets contains all vital minerals and vitamins to fulfill the micronutrient gap and handle your cravings. Next two products are for keeping the gut healthy, as 80% of diseases which happen in the body are because of a non-healthy gut. These two products are excellent for weight loss and reducing tummy fat. The first is Nutrilite Fiber. This has a blend of 3 best quality soluble fibers like inulin, hydrolyzed gorgum and resistant maltodextrin. Taking a scoop of this 30 minutes before lunch and dinner will help in the weight loss process. Second product for gut health is from Nutrilite Herbal range called Amalaki, Vibhitaki and Haritaki. The blend of these 3 herbs which supports digestion, colon health, have laxative properties, helps in hyperacidity and weight loss. Amalaki, Vibhitaki and Haritaki herbs are cultivated from non-GMO seeds following the 9-step process. The right species goes into the tablet which is ensured by DNA fingerprinting. It comes with PSP which is purity, safety and potency in the tablet. 2 tablets can be taken after dinner. People who suffer from loose motion should not consume this product. Next we have Nutrilite Milk Thistle. Most people don't think about liver health in terms of weight loss, but the liver is responsible for helping metabolize fat. It produces bile which breaks down fat while also working like a filter to clean toxins out of our blood, thus helping us feel energized. Milk thistle is a herb which is known for its liver detoxifying properties. Nutrilite milk thistle comes along with the benefits of dandelion root, turmeric and B vitamins, which helps in the normal functioning of the liver and also helps in reducing visceral fat. 1 tablet 2 times a day can be consumed with meals. Next is Nutrilite Vitamin B. It has vitamin B2, B5 and B12 which are often associated with weight loss because of its ability to boost metabolism and provide lasting energy. 1 tablet of Nutrilite Natural B with yeast helps fulfill the daily requirement for B complex vitamins along with regular diet. It contains no artificial color, flavor, or preservatives. Natural B supports critical metabolic function and helps support energy production. Total daily energy expenditure is an estimation of how many calories you burn each day, including physical activity. It is calculated by multiplying your basic metabolic rate by 1.2 to 1.5 based on your activity level. You think of TDEE as adding in everything you do on a normal day to your BMR calculations. This includes all the working out we do as well as all the little things we do like walking around the office, taking out the trash, playing with pets, and other normal stuff. By adding the number of calories needed to do these little things with your BMR, you get your TDEE. If your calorie consumption is equal to your TDEE, you will maintain your current weight. If your calorie consumption is less than your TDEE, you will lose weight. So how to calculate your TDEE? For example, if you rarely exercise, multiply your BMR by 1.2. If you exercise on 1 to 3 days per week, multiply your BMR by 1.3. And if you exercise on 3 to 5 days per week, multiply your BMR by 1.5.
If you need any more info on weight loss or about the products mentioned, then you can WhatsApp me on my number in the description box. Also, please don't forget to like, subscribe and leave your comment in the comment box. Thanks for watching and bye for now.